Want to turn your YouTube hustle into $10,000 a month without ever showing your face? I have cracked the code, analyzing hundreds of faceless channels to uncover 6 niches that can make bank. But I like telling the truth that this is not a shortcut to riches. It is a grind that rewards those who show up. Success here takes grit, hustle, and time. Nature doesn't hand out rewards without effort. So, if you are ready to roll up your sleeves, let's jump in. Before we get to the list, let us talk about why picking the right niche is a big deal. Check this out. One channel made less than $20,000 from 9 million views last year. That is about $2 per 1,000 views. Then there is a self-help channel that pulled in over $30,000 from just 4 million views. That is $7.50 per 1,000. Same effort, different niches, wildly different paychecks. The right niche means higher ad rates and better sponsorships. So, let's look at 6 that can pay off big, if you work for it. Number 6. Business documentaries. Think Netflix-style deep dives into how massive companies got built, the messes they faced, and the scandals they survived. Channels like Magnates Media are raking it in. Think millions from AdSense and sponsorships. Do you know why? Because this niche taps into finance and make money online vibes, which advertisers love. High CPMs, cost per 1,000 views, mean more cash, plus you are hitting viewers like entrepreneurs and creators who brands pay big to reach. But here is the truth. This takes work. You are not just Googling quick facts. You are reading books, digging into financial reports, and fact-checking like a detective. Then there is editing. Those cinematic visuals do not make themselves. It is a grind, but if you love business and storytelling, the payoff could be huge. Just do not expect it overnight. Number 5. Creator analysis. This is all about dissecting the wild rides of YouTubers and influencers, their wins, flops, and juicy controversies. Channels like Internet Anarchist are killing it, pulling millions of views and fat ad checks. You do not need months of research here, just a nose for trending drama and the ability to spin a story fast. You have got to jump on scandals while they are hot, which means staying glued to the creator world and cranking out videos quick. It is less intense than documentaries, but you still need to hustle to stay relevant. If you are into the creator scene, this could be your lane. Just keep showing up. Number 4. Basic financial education. Keyword: basic. No crazy stock charts, just stuff like how to stop wasting money or mindsets that build wealth. You do not need a degree. The info's out there in books and blogs. Your job? Make it fun and clear. This niche pays because it is in the finance lane, high CPMs and sponsorships from money apps or tools. Channels like Aluex.com make bank with simple setups. Think voiceovers and stock clips. But you have still got to research, script, and edit. Number 3. Self-improvement. Tips on productivity, confidence, or just being a better you. People never stop wanting this stuff. It is evergreen and the money's good. AdSense loves it and sponsors line up. Right now, stick figure animations are popping off. Channels like Easy actually get millions of views with simple visuals. Tools like InVideo AI can help, but you still need killer content and tight scripts. It is not brain surgery, but it is not effortless either. If you are into growth and helping people, this niche is calling your name. Number 2. True horror stories. This is the easiest production-wise. Just grab a creepy story, add eerie music, and do a chilling voiceover. Channels like Chilling Scares are swimming in cash. Millions of views, hundreds of thousands in revenue. To stand out, tell them like they happen to you. That first-person vibe hooks viewers. You will still need to hunt for tales, write gripping scripts, and keep posting. Love a good scare? This could be fun and profitable. Just do not slack. Number 1. 3D animation. Think short, quirky videos like Zach D Films, billions of views, tens of thousands a month. Tools like InVideo AI make it doable without a Pixar budget. Pick a cool angle, medical facts, space, whatever lights you up, and run with it. Start small with 15-second clips, post like crazy, then scale to longer stuff. It is creative, it is techy, and the ceiling is sky-high. But it takes consistency and a learning curve. If you are artsy and determined, this could be your golden ticket. So, there is your 6 niches. They can make you over $10,000 a month, some way more, but only if you show up. Pick one you actually care about, because passion fuels the grind. And do not sleep on extra cash. Sponsorships, affiliates, even your own stuff can stack those earnings. Look, I get it. You might want to chase the easiest one and hope for quick wins. But that is not life. Hard work pays, and that is the rule of nature. It is tough, messy, and sometimes slow, but when it clicks, it is worth it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.